Welcome to Module 2, Communicating with Target Schools. In this second module, we will be providing you a wealth of information to assure you that the student-athlete's communication with the coaching staff at their target schools is stellar, and that it stands out from the blizzard of information they receive every single day. There are 5 key methods in which the student-athlete can and should communicate with coaches: email, phone calls, social media, in-person, Zoom meetings, and lastly, SMS texting. We will show you everything you need to know about prepping your student athlete for these Zoom calls, these phone calls, as well as providing you incredible insight on how to leverage your brand on social media. In fact, this is one of the ways many student athletes will be able to differentiate themselves from the competition. Each method of communication is highly effective, but we must make sure the student athlete is adhering to specific NCAA rules and regulations regarding each form of communication. We will provide you an outline of these rules and these regulations, as well as a calendar cheat sheet when emails should go out and follow-ups should occur. In addition to the methods of communication, we will also cover who should be contacting and reaching out to the student-athlete's target schools. We will go over the acronym DAPA. We will dive into the do's and don'ts of email writing, phone, and Zoom calls. We'll show you how to craft effective emails that get coaches responding at every level. We will also go over how the student athlete should respond to a coach who reaches out to them. I'm super excited to jump into this first chapter of Module 2. This chapter is titled Emails, and the reason I'm excited is because 99% of services, agencies, coaches, and parents are terrible at writing email copy specifically for the recruitment process. There's a science to it, there's a strategy, and there's certain tactics that we can use throughout the email to ensure we're grabbing the coach's attention and creating buzz around the athlete. Most importantly, we break the email down into several easy to follow steps that you would never have thought of. So let's get rocking. Donna will meet you in the first chapter of Module 2.